So the method I'm going to choose here is using factorization. So we've got x squared minus 3x minus 40. So typically, if we have a factorization, we have sort of x plus a, x plus b, and when we factorize it out, we've got x squared plus ab lots of x, a plus b lots of x plus ab. So here we're looking for two numbers, a and b, that multiply to give ab, in this instance minus 40, and two numbers that when you add them here, add to give minus 3. So setting up our equation here, this equals 0. Instantly we can fill in the first two placements, x and x. Next we're looking for two numbers that multiply to give minus 40. So 10 and 4, 8 and 5, 1 and 40. But they